John Grey fishing tour. The guy is going to provide us some water, but no tequila. But that's okay. We've signed the insurance to say we're not going to die. We have 5 minutes. Charlie's Angels, yes.
But I'm not.
No, you're not.
I'm not angel though.
You're an angel.
We try to walk from here, go to the jetty over there, and then we have to get on the local bus, go to the end of the pier, and we get on the boat. So the first thing when you get on the boat, you have to wear the life jacket first before we leave from the pier, because of there is marine department. You don't break the rule. Okay, we know everybody very good swim more than me, because I'm swim like a rock. Yes, I am. Okay.
Feeling hot, hot, hot. Yeah. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Takes you to the
Here's
end
a
of
little
the
bus
pier.
that's going to take us to the end of the pier to jump on our boat. This is a look at our boat. John Grey Sea Canoe. So he has told us that we need to put on life jackets, but we only need to wear the life jackets for the cameras, and then once we get started, we can take them off.
So hello everybody.
Hello.
Do we have people? Hello everybody.
Hello, Charlie.
That's good. That's good. I think we got everybody now. Okay, but we lost one people. They're hiding in the toilet right now. That's why I have just only 21 people right now on the top here, but we lost one people in their toilet. Okay, and you can see the scenery, what's going on when we go to the bay at the northeast of Phuket Island, and you know what we do today? You know what we do?
Canoeing?
Yes, we're gonna explore the cave today. Okay, and then when you are in the toilet, you not forgot to lock the door. You know what's going on? And some people from the outside, they try to might say hello to you. Okay.
Oh, sunbaking.
Yeah, you can go up there. When you need dark like me. Okay, it's not 10 right now. But for the rest of you, I think you can easily get like a lobster. Seriously now, do anyone eat something on the table and you die? Please, you tell me.
Before or after?
No one died.
So we have just had lunch on the John Grey Canoe, and we are headed out. As you can see, it's about an hour's travel time for us today. So it's about 30 minutes from the hotel, and then we got into the little marina. It's a private marina, and we had 5 minutes. Then we got a bus to the boat. Now we're on the boat for an hour, and as you can see, we've just had lunch. Lunch was wonderful, really quite nice. We also get dinner on this package, so it's definitely a good deal to try. You can see the view behind me is just magnificent. And I'm at the end of the boat, and really looking forward to a great day. We don't know a whole lot about this cruise, except the fact that we are going to be getting some canoes, and we are going to be canoeing through caves that are so small we'll actually need to lie backwards when we go through the canoe. So Charlie's given me permission to come down here and film. Just going to have a bit of a film around here. So obviously their kitchen. Hello. Charlie,
Yeah.
so tell me, we go on the boat for 1 hour,
Yes.
this boat,
Yes.
and then we get into the canoes,
Yes.
and then we're going to canoe through the cave,
Yes.
and then what? Does it take
You
us-
have the guy paddle for you later. Perhaps that man, they can be your taxi driver, or him, or myself, or my friend inside there.
Yes?
you a taxi driver.
Yes.
Because the cave sometimes is very low ceiling.
Low ceiling, yes.
And
So I have to
dark.
lie down.
And then you don't know the direction where you can go by yourself because you can lose the way.
Yep.
And then we don't need to get trapped. That's
We
why
won't get trapped, will we?
even you paddle by yourself.
Oh, so we have a guide.
Because of you don't know about the timetable.
Yep. Yep.
And then that's why we need the guide paddle for you because we know very well about this area. It's not my first day.
Not your first day. Great.
The
Second day. Still on your L plates.
Yeah, no. This is my second day in this place.
Ah.
That's why we need app.
So when we get through the caves, what's on the other side? An island?
We are in the middle of the center of the island.
Ah. When we're on the boat, if we look out there, will we see sharks or whales or dolphins or turtles?
Oh, we have an alligator. He can be like an alligator.
Yeah, you the alligator?
No, we don't have shark over here.
Oh.
No shark.
Maybe what? Maybe what?
Shark. Shark. You know shark? Just a tiny shark.
A carp? No.
C-O-S-H-A-R-K.
Oh, shark! Shark!
Come on!
Tiny shark! Ah, so will we see? Will we
No.
No.
No, because they are afraid of the human.
Afraid of humans.
And then they, everything they can kill you.
Oh!
They go to your home already.
Ah, okay.
They use Australian visa. Like alligator, crocodile, shark,
yes.
jellyfish. They move from here, go to your home.
Ah. Is there snakes?
Even them say no, I'm a bullshit.
Ah.
Yes. Everywhere they have a snake.
Water snakes? Water snakes?
Not made like viper, actual viper.
Viper? Okay, so this could be an interesting trip for me.
Yeah, but there's a monkey on the island.
Monkeys? Are they dangerous monkeys or good monkeys?
Oh, they're not dangerous. Friendly, but depending what you have in your hand.
Okay.
Even you have a fruit in your hand.
Yes.
You can make the monkeys can be like angry because of not only one monkey in the family.
Yep.
Even you have only one banana, that's happened.
Yep.
They
Okay.
come in the same boat.
So when we're on the island, have nothing in our hand. Okay, good. Hi. Are you driving? Sailing. He doesn't speak no English. Here's just a little one just sitting right here. As long as he doesn't jump. Where?
They say with their stuff with their stomach.
Oh, I see. On its tummy. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Careful.
Come on, jump on me. Can you? May jump. Uh-oh, he's gonna jump on me. He's gonna jump.
Oh, how gorgeous.
Easy to get mad.
So these monkeys here are friendly monkeys because we don't feed them any food. And they actually eat sea life, which is what Charlie told me before. That one right there has got a baby on its tummy. You may have seen it. Wait till it turns around. Oh gosh. Jumping up there. Oh, there's another older one. He looks older. He looks bigger. The one behind him. Oh, there's the baby on his tummy. Yep, on the tummy.
Oh, maybe that's Grandpa. Or Dad.
Oh.
Did you see the one straight above us?
Oh my gosh, no I didn't. I didn't see that one. There's another one there. Oh, please move me. Is it good luck, like when a bird does a poo on you?
Monkeys throw poo if they're angry at you. No. Monkeys throw poo if they're angry at you.
What happens if we jump?
Hello.
Oh my god, look at him climbing across. Oh my god.
The Charlie? Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
That monkey face, dog face.
Monkey face.
Oh,
It's alright, lean back.
Oh yeah.
oh my god. Can you hear them?
They sound like babies crying.
They like get away from me.
They try to talking something.
One of the monkeys there is like picking nits off the other one. I'm getting it all.
One just pooped.
Yeah.
Oh, can we please move?
Oh, another poop.
Oh my god, please, where are we going? I don't want to get poo on me.
I don't think it's shit.
It might have been wee. It was a couple of drops. Something definitely.
This is the tiny one right over here. You see, like that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna push you.
Oh, is that your monkey noise?
Huh? What's that?
Charlie's smart. He's behind. He make the girls go first.
Yeah, that's why I'm still behind. With the monkey sheep, the sheep.
What did you say?
The white thing they hanging down from the wall. You see there? Yeah, there is a honeycomb face.
Honeycomb you can eat?
Yeah, there we go.
Ah,
How safety?
You got to climb up to get it though.
it's like a band.
You can take video from here, go to the outside.
Yeah, I'm taking video. Is that light at the end of the tunnel there? Whoa, that was close. Oh my gosh, it is tight. Move your arms in, breathe in. So we are out here.
They're really affected by
It is beautiful. The view is amazing. The water is really warm and nice. I'm a little bit scared because, you know, I have a fear of falling into water that I can't see the bottom of. However, Charlie's being an awesome, awesome sailor boy. Super duper sailor boy, and he's getting us here very safely. I've got a big shout out to Emma for the coziest legs I could ever have needed when going through the
I
cave.
got to be such a lady.
A lady. It's just beautiful here.
From the water. By the waves.
Yeah. What's the word that he's using?
Stalactites.
Stalactites.
Go to the mangrove cave.
Mangrove cave? Yep.
Mangrove. Yeah,
Mangrove.
Yeah, this one is long, about 150 meter long.
How long was the other one?
150.
No, the other one before. How long?
Oh, the other one is like 20
Okay.
meter. This one is longer.
To hear the scariest thing?
What's the scariest?
Guess who got stuck in the fucking cave?
You got stuck?
Yeah. We had to go backwards. That's why we're so far back.
Baby mangroves. So we made it through the tunnel. Bill made it through the tunnel.
Barely made it alive.
He barely made it alive. They had to go
Yeah.
out and they had to back on in. It is a really tight fit through those tunnels. So you do need to be breathe in. No, not even underweight. You just need to breathe. I had to put in tightly my arms.
No feet overboard.
No feet overboard. Definitely not through there. And it was pitch black. Lucky for us, Charlie has a head torch. So the head torch gets us through quite well. Where we are now, the water is murky, and that's due to the plankton. There's lots of mangrove trees here growing just behind me. You can see the mango tree that's growing. I believe Charlie said it was like over 100 years old, and it's pretty big. As you can see, lots of people around here. It is quite shallow.
You can sit up right now, Helen. Yeah. This is the Diamond Cave, we call.
Diamond Cave.
Yeah, shine bright like a diamond.
Shine bright like a diamond. Yeah.
There is calcium carbonate.
All right. Yep.
You see the up on the ceiling.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Lots of butterflies around here. I'm not sure if you can see them. Lots of butterflies. The experience is delightful. It's an experience. This is an experience we have not shared before. Go John Grey. John Grey Tours. Check them out. This is what we look like. See the guy over there? Just lying down on top of each other so they can get through. This is really cool. You would not know this was here.
The fish in the water, butter.
Oh my God! Yes, yes, I can see the fish in the water. Yeah, I'm watching.
Charlie's watching for us.
Yeah.
It's crazy what you can see up there. I mean, I'm looking all the way just in front of me, but when you actually look up, the rock formation is incredible. This would be like James Bond, an archaeologist's dream. I can see lots of cactus above my head, just growing off the rocks. I can see the stalactites. Stalactites. There's a little island. Looks like in my picture, it looks like two little penguins are on the island. Bullshit, they're monkeys. Oh my God, get up, Helen. Oh, I didn't even realise. Hello, monkey. That was hilarious. I was literally thinking they could look like penguins right now, but I thought they were just rocks. And then something they moved, and I was like, oh my God, they're monkeys. Look at these little fellows. Hello. How are you? Are you good? I know. But they probably don't know African either, so it doesn't matter what I speak. Oh, how's cute. Charlie, not too close, yeah? This one over here's still got his... Oh my God, look at him. Oh gosh, what's he doing? Oh, he's eating rocks. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. He's smart, he got out of the water a bit. Look at him sniffing that food. He's sniffing and then eating it up. He's getting, oh gosh, how gorgeous.
The jellyfish. Do you know what this jellyfish is called? Like what kind?
I don't know what carved that.
Yeah.
But I know definitely the Bradley one.
What's it feel like, Emma?
The Bradley one we call a Spanish Benavor.
It's very slimy. I wouldn't squish it too hard because it's an animal. But very slimy and like pretty firm. Like not like jelly, but pretty firm.
Does it smell?
No, but I can see, I think I can see its heart beating. Look at it. You watch it moving. Burp. Burp. Can you see it's breathing?
Oh, yeah.
If I put it.
Bye.
Bye. So right now he's chopping up the front food and then the other guy's whistling and apparently birds have come down. Oh wow, look, that's a good one. Oh look.
Oh, it's massive.
Caught it.
We have to paddle from here, go to the beach, and we have to walk on those islands. Alright? Preparing
James Bond
yourself.
Island,
You
right
do not forget to put the sunscreen.
So we've arrived at James Bond Island and this place is crazy. Whoa, nearly slipped. You have to wear shoes here because the shells on the ground are actually really, really sharp on your feet.
And we're off on the next adventure.
Yes.
Look at that rock. Look how big that rock is.
I know. With the best tour guide,
Best tour guide.
Mr. Charlie.
Charlie with his angel.
I'm worried you have to share your mind.
We're at the James Bond Island.
James Bond Island.
From
Yes,
the-
we're going to explore the James Bond Island right now.
Did you say 1972 movie?
1974.
74.
Yeah, because of the film from those movies, the film.
The man with the golden gun.
Man with the golden gun
Wow.
from Roshamore.
Look at the big like cave up there.
Yes. This coping gun and the other gun. The string gun is meaning like that's where we start.
That's where we started.
And we have to ride the boat, go to this island. This is Panak Island. And then we have part Hong Island over here. We're not parking. We try to came to, I think it's right over here.
Okay.
Where I see, I think it's James Bond over here. Probably.
Okay.
And did you say there's 61 islands?
160.
160 islands.
Yes.
My tour guide Helen here today. We're going the wrong way, Helen. Paddle that way. Use that paddle. You want me to paddle? You good? Alright.
Okay.
Okay, tour guide Helen. What can you tell us about the island?
The island looks beautiful. Apparently it's a very white island and it's very soft on our feet.
Left.
So it's going to
Right.
be nice for us. We've got 30 minutes out here, so we're going to try and make it to the island in 30 minutes.
Phil's just enjoying a lovely float. He's not worried about getting to shore. Just wants to hang.
I'd love to say that today has been a wonderful day 9 of Thailand. We've been out and about to James Bond Island. We have been on a beautiful boat that has been a very smooth sail. No need for seasickness tablets today. We went through the caves, which were magnificent. The guy who was our tour guide had a headlamp on, and the headlamp was actually very useful, otherwise we wouldn't have been able to see our way through, but the headlamp gave us some really great light to show you guys what we're doing today. Our friend Charlie is a great tour guide. Emma, you can talk too, you know. This is going to be a long video tonight, guys, so I hope that you are ready with your popcorn.
And this water temperature is so amazing.
Yeah, it's probably about...
It's like the best spa, not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, and it's better than the beaches we've been to, where we're not fighting waves.
Yeah.
It's just a nice little subtle... Turning today has been awesome, and we have used SPF 50, and that's our boat in the distance, which we hope it stays.
Yeah. How about the feeding of the hawks and the eagle?
Oh, that was really
awesome.
Cool. So our guy Charlie was at the end of the it's near a plane. Oh, there's a plane above us. Charlie, our tour guide, was actually chopping up chicken meat at the end of the boat and throwing it up into the air. And the other guy was doing this crazy whistle, like a loud, strong whistle. And actually, I think in the end we might have had 10, 15 birds there. They were coming down, swooping into the ground to eat some chicken. So that was really cool. My phone did die for a while, so thankfully I have a lovely friend called Emma who's also been doing some video today. So shout out to Emma. So we're headed back to the boat now. It's been a beautiful 20 minutes or so outside, having a bit of a swim around. I'm really surprised that I got the kayak out there, but I'm equally surprised that Emma got us back. She did a great job. No, Emma did a great job. I did a great job. The water is actually quite rough as well, so we actually did a really good job. Pretty proud of ourselves.
Don't be screaming. Yeah, go down.
It's out of water.
It's out of water.
Okay, you too.
So dinner on the boat, some jasmine brown rice, some beef, some vegetables, which we haven't actually had many, like I don't think I've actually had many vegetables, yeah. And some chicken. There's my dinner, and there's my view out there. An absolutely beautiful day. Finished off our dinner, some yummy food. It's been a spot on day. Haven't had to open my wallet to pay for anything. It was all included in our tour. The tour did cost us about $140 each, but it was a great day. Could have got a bit more sun today, but I didn't, which was totally fine. Spent the day just enjoying the view, enjoying the scenery. Yeah. Okay, we are almost back, heading into the marina now. Okay, so we have finished our day trip today, heading back out along the pier and back to our hotel. Drive should take us approximately 1 hour.